another video from my other channel, Aline's Adventures, about my nomad life. Here, the second video about carnivore in Montenegro. Have fun. Here is part one about how it is as a carnivore in Montenegro. We were in Ulcin, Montenegro for almost 3 months, so I got to eat there a lot, so I had to make two parts. This is part two of the video, Carnivore in Montenegro. We found a butcher right across from the gym, and we are pretty sure it's halal. The ground beef there was so good, so delicious. I'm convinced there were also some organs in it. Sometimes it was grinded up so much more. It was kind of like a mush. Totally different consistency and taste from the usual ground beef. It was pretty fatty and it would fall apart super easily while cooking. So it was quite hard to make patties out of it, but it still worked. Like in Serbia, here's a video, Carnivore in Serbia, they had in Montenegro lots of cured and smoked meats. And even more clean hams, not just one kind, like many different kinds of clean hams. Clean meaning just salt and meat, well, pork in that case, and even pancetta, bacon, that was totally clean, nothing else in it. So that was super cool. So already when I was still back in Reno, Nevada, USA, and I was getting ready for my gamma knife treatment in Istanbul and for the upcoming nomad life, I saw on the internet that in Montenegro, they are famous for the Sushi Ham, only pork and salt. Oh, hell yeah, I wanted to try that so badly. And I already found it sliced in Serbia, in Belgrade. I made a total separate video about just Sushi Ham, so here is that video. There wasn't much seafood available, what is totally weird to me. So I feel like living on the ocean, the sea, or a lake, there should be lots of fish and seafood, right? But no, but there was still a fish market we found at the green market, but I read online that, oh, they raise the prices on purpose just for tourists and they basically just fuck you over. Well, anyways, I still wanted to go check it out, but there was a guy standing inside the store smoking. I was like, hell no. So I didn't even go in there. Well, yeah, a lot of people smoke a lot in Montenegro, even at the butcher store, but only in front of the butcher store. There was usually a guy smoking, but not inside of the store. So like a food store and someone is smoking inside, especially like fish, seafood, or meat, hell no, that's just a no-go. At grocery stores, there were some frozen fish, calamari, and spiced seafood. Also spiced shrimp, but I couldn't find shrimp, clean shrimp frozen anywhere. That was kind of weird to me. The only shrimp I found was like on skewers with calamari on it. So you had 3 calamari and 2 shrimp on one skewer. Otherwise, no clean shrimp available, not fresh, not frozen. Well, I couldn't find it. So weird. Oh, and as I mentioned, there were so many clean cured ham packages, and once Paul bought many different kinds of them, well, 4 different kinds of clean cured ham packages, so I thought, let's make a tasting video, a cured ham, aka prosciutto crudo tasting video. So here is that video. There was an Albanian restaurant that roasted lambs every single day. Oh, wow, the smell, the look. Oh, so awesome. They sell it for 39 euros a kilogram. What is not cheap, but it's affordable. We got it sometimes. The ribs were the best, but of course it was the most expensive cut because you get so much bone with it. Actually, the shoulder was super delicious too, but also quite fatty. The hind leg, not so much. I mean, it was totally good, but it didn't fall off the bone and was a bit dry. So for me, lamb, especially, well, like a leg of lamb, the meat has to fall off the bone. But still, it was super cool. Only lamb and salt. So fucking excited. Oh my gosh, I just wanna... Let's take ribs first. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. We spent almost 3 months in Ulcin, Montenegro. That's the longest so far during our nomad life. Don't forget to subscribe here. Right now I'm in Saranda, Albania. So of course the next video about the carnivore stuff will be Carnivore in Albania. Stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you for watching.